Imagine a DeFi platform where trading doesn't just happen, it feels like winning. Welcome to WolfSwap, the #1 most used product on the Kronos chain in just a year and a half. WolfSwap isn't your average decentralized exchange. It's a gamified ecosystem that turns every trade into an adventure with mystery boxes, trading competitions, seasonal airdrops, XP milestones, and massive referral bonuses. This is DeFi that actually rewards you for showing up. WolfSwap's magic goes beyond trading. Their NFTs are backed by an ETF, which means each NFT represents real, liquid value. You can even burn your NFT and instantly convert it into tokens. It's a fusion of DeFi and NFTs that actually makes sense. Real utility, real liquidity, real value. So how does WolfSwap actually work? It's a DX aggregator, not a single automated market maker like Uniswap. When you make a swap, WolfSwap searches across multiple DXs and blockchains like Kronos, Polygon, Abstract, Sonic, and Katana to find you the best route, the lowest gas, and the best price. You always keep control of your wallet, your assets, and your decisions. 2025, analysts forecast that Moon token could trade between 10 and 40 cents. Depending on adoption and market conditions, 2030, in a strong DeFi market with growing cross-chain integrations, Moon token could hit $1 or even higher. In a bullish case, because it combines lower fees, higher rewards, and true community ownership. Compared to Uniswap, which provides liquidity directly, WolfSwap aggregates liquidity across many DXs, giving traders better pricing and more efficiency. Against Jupiter on Solana, WolfSwap's edge is its multi-chain reach and community-first governance model. And here's the exciting part: BTCC is proud to announce that WolfSwap's Moon token will officially be listed on the BTCC exchange tomorrow. That means you'll soon be able to trade Moon token directly on one of the world's leading exchanges, securely, seamlessly, and with the same BTCC reliability tomorrow. The next phase of WolfSwap begins. The game of DeFi just leveled up, and the moon is only getting brighter.